Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bluesky. We click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will click on Bluesky. Here in this page of app info, you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Bluesky. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.